Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For class 10 especially, this is a question related to the geometry. ABCD is a right angle triangle at point A. This is 90 degree. P and Q, they are the midpoint of CA and AB. AB और C के बीच के बिंदु हैं. Okay. And this is 90 degree. Under these conditions, we have to prove 4 times CQ square plus BP square is equal to 5 times CB square. Okay. This is to be proved. Now let us, we are given what हमें दे रखा है ये दोनों मिड पॉइंट है. ओके, अब हम सबसे पहले जो हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, वी आर गोइंग टू टेक द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टू फाइंड टू प्रूव दैट 4 times CQ square plus BP square is equal to 5 times CB square. This is to be proved. Now we are going to take the left hand side. First of all, let us find the CQ square, the value of CQ square. It means CQ, if we join this, अब इसको जोड़ देते हैं, this will is a right angle triangle, so that we can apply the Pythagoras in order to find the value of CQ in terms of AQ and CB. So this can be written as per Pythag square, AC square plus AQ square. Correct? Okay. Plus BP square. BP square. This is equal to what? BP. BP is equal to this. BP. It means we have to join this. Okay. Again, we will apply the Pythagoras in this right angle triangle. This is a 90 degree angle. This is BP square. This can be written as square of this portion. PA plus AB square. Correct? Very correct. Now, joining these two, CQ square plus BP square. This will be addition of these two in the left hand side. This is AC square plus AQ square plus PA square plus AB square. Okay. Now AB square, this is AC square, sorry. AC square this is, and AB square is this. We can write it as, because we have to bring simple CB. So whatever the concept with CB, we have to collect one side. जो भी CB से related है, उनको एक तरफ ले लेते हैं. यहाँ CB लाना है in right hand side. So AC square plus AB square, it means this square plus this square can be written together with CB square. It can be replaced by इसका square plus इसका CB square. एक CB square आ गया. Plus remaining portion है AQ square plus PA square. Our aim is to convert in right hand side only CB. Now AQ can be converted in CB or not, ये देखना है. AQ is this portion, and PA is this. Square of this plus the square of this, if we add this, will be equal to PQ square. Now PQ is remaining portion which is to be converted in CB. इस PQ को किसी तरह CB में convert करें. कैसे करें? If we consider this case, इसमें triangle देखिए CAB और दूसरा triangle देखिए PQ PA 90 डिग्री कॉमन. ये इसका हाफ है, ये इसका हाफ ये है, तो ये वाला जो diagonal होगा वो इसका हाफ होगा. PQ will be, because we are given what? They are the midpoint. They are the midpoint because AQ is half of AB, AP is half of AC, so diagonal PQ will be the half of the diagonal CB. So in place of PQ, we can write 1 by 2 CB. So PQ square can be written as 1 by 2 CB square. it means it is equal to 1 by 4 CV square. So replacing this by this. Okay. This is equal to CV square already. And in place of this, we can write 1 by 4 CV square. Correct? So it will be equal to 5 times CV square upon 4 is equal to CQ square plus BP square. Now bring the 4 over here. Cross multiplication will be done. So that we can say that 4 times CQ square plus BP square, this will equal to 5 times CB square. Clear? This 4 will get multiplied with this CQ square plus BP square. This is BP square. Okay, this is BP. So it gets proved. So hence proved. This is proved. Correct? This is 4 times CQ square plus BP square. This is equal to 5 times CB square. Because the square of this is square of 1 by 2 CB square. Okay? This is proved. This is very good question. Okay? Thanks for watching my video from beginning to last, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Keep watching my videos. Several topics are there, especially for 10th class. They can prepare yourself. You can prepare yourself for coming examinations. अपने लिए तैयारी करिए. 85% से नंबर कम नहीं आने चाहिए किसी भी बच्चे के. ये मेरा एम है. Okay? Thank you. Good night. Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe.